How to create a timesheet template for your employees in Google Sheets and use conditional formatting to highlight overtime hours. Create columns for date, start time, end time, break time, regular hours, and overtime hours. Enter the start time and end time for each day worked, as well as the amount of break time taken. Use a formula to calculate the regular hours worked for each day. For example, if the start time is in cell B2, and the end time is in cell C2, and the break time is in cell D2, you could use the formula equals times 24 to calculate the number of hours worked. Use a formula to calculate the overtime hours worked for each day. For example, if the regular hours are in cell E2, and the overtime threshold is 8 hours, you could use the formula equals if to calculate the overtime hours worked. Use conditional formatting to highlight the overtime hours in a different color. Select the overtime hours column, go to the Format menu, and select Conditional Formatting. Set the condition to greater than and enter the threshold value for overtime hours. Choose a fill color or font color to highlight the overtime hours.